come, let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. Guysini, I saw this beautiful post posted by Uloyiso Bala. Loyiso Bala posted himself, Pelo and Zwai praying, right? But I went into the comment section just wanting to also say, this is beautiful. What I got there was so many beautiful messages. One of them was from Alwandle, who said this family is balanced. A leader, somewhat seen as harshy, but that's leadership, I guess. And I'm thinking that this person is relating to Zwei. A kind, sensible peace mediator being Loyiso. Wow, may God just bless you guys, because a kind person usually enables bad behavior from everyone. Her leader is, I don't know what the person tried to say, but leader is necessary, but he leader can survive without empathy in the form of Loyiso. And then another person said, can you grow from strength to strength, and may God take you higher to the greater heights. I just love this bond and stay blessed. I was like, I was at the event, says Zizi, and danced to your music the entire time. Watching you perform was like I was dreaming. Beautiful performance. May God bless the Bala brothers. Guys, I'm just happy to see these guys together. I personally love them. I personally love their music. So yeah, hoping love and everything else that we think we need from the Bala brothers is gonna come on our screens. I never watched the reality show that much, but I hope it also comes our way and they make much more money from it. Can we congratulate this family for keeping together and being this loving? Please do like and subscribe.